Hey guys, Nick again, Used Bikes Direct, checking out this gorgeous Aprilia RSV4 1100. Hop on the website, usedbikesdirect.com, to see those detailed photos and specs. Give us a call with any questions at 866-576-2453. So this one's a 2020 model Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. It's going to feature Aprilia's 1078cc V4 engine in it, and of course that's paired up to a 6-speed transmission. And guys, I kid you not, this bike only has 77 miles on it. That is it, 77. Goes without saying, the bike is immaculate. No chips in the paint, no tears in the seat, really isn't a scratch on it. And of course, being that it's an Aprilia, it's going to be loaded with features and technology. Not only do you have those fully customizable ride modes and quick shifter, but you're also going to have an electronically adjustable suspension and even cruise control, something you don't find on too many sport bikes. Left side handlebar is going to have the usual headlight turn signal and horn, as well as your cruise control and all your race settings. And as we sweep on over to the right side, they're going to keep it clean and simple for you. Kill switch and your starter button. Before we flip on the key, you're going to notice right at the top of these forks where you do have that electronic suspension. As we turn it on, of course, it's a full digital display that's going to keep track of absolutely everything for you. Naturally, your speedometer is bold and center. What we really want to see is underneath that, the odometer, 77 miles. Of course, as far as the hardware on the bike, you're going to notice that you do have the O-Lens suspension and the Brembo brakes. And then as we sweep around to this side, point out where you have a full titanium exhaust on it made by Aprilia. Definitely a fantastic tone. And you know what? It's time we go ahead and give it a listen. So as we come up front, we'll go ahead and fire it up. Just an amazing machine all the way around. Find us on the web at usedbikesdirect.com to see more. Reach out to us with those questions at 866-576-2453.